Kia Motors, after the launch of its two amazing cars in India, first being its all-successful compact SUV, the Kia Seltos in 2019, which was also awarded as the Car of the Year, and the other being Kia Carnival, the luxurious MPV in 2020. And now Kia has finally unveiled all-amazing Kia Sonet in a world premiere event. The unique thing about this compact SUV is you will find traces of India all over its body. It is made in India for the world with the features like Tiger-shaped grille, as well as Rajasthan's famous Chandbaude step bell patterns on the grille. Whereas bulky shapes give you a feel of baby elephant. On the rear, it possesses heartbeat LED tail lamps. Another special feature is intelligent manual transmission in its turbo petrol engine. MT provides you the liberty to enjoy changing transmissions manually without using the clutch. Indeed, there is no clutch in it. Other unique features are perfect for Indian climatic conditions, ventilated seats, and in the pandemic situations like COVID-19, Sonet is featuring antivirus perfumed air purifier, which is first in the world. It is fitted with 26.03 cm SD touchscreen navigation, 7-speaker Bose audio system and mood lamps. Meanwhile, Sonet is offered in 3 engine options. Smart Stream G1.2 petrol engine, performance-oriented turbo-powered 1-liter petrol engine, and a 1.5-liter diesel engine, which produces a maximum power of 99 bhp and a maximum torque of 240 Nm. While Kia is offering 4 transmission options in Sonet: 5-speed manual transmission, 6-speed manual transmission, 6-speed advanced automatic transmission, and a Smart Stream 6-speed intelligent manual transmission, which only comes with 1-liter turbo-powered petrol engine. Sonet is available in 2 trim ranges, GT line and ST line. Its amazing GT line trim offers a hint of red all over the machine for aggression and sportiness. Line is only available in turbo diesel and turbo petrol engines. Sonet could be priced between Rs 8 lakh to Rs 13 lakh as per the respective models. Bookings are open now, and soon you will find it in showrooms near you after its scheduled launch in September this year. The Kia Sonet will compete with Ford EcoSport, Venue, Mahindra XUV300 and Tata Nexon. After covering all the important points about Kia Sonet, we are finally signing off. Please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.